61A Lecture Number 17. Announcements. Homework 5 is due tomorrow. The ANTS project is due next Thursday. It's the longest project so far, so please get started. It's really best to work with a partner and choose one from your section. You don't have to work with a partner, but it's better if you work together because you'll move through the project more quickly. The project checkpoint is due on Monday. Let's take a look. The checkpoint that you're meant to complete before Monday includes Phase 1 and Phase 2. Phase 3 and Phase 4 you could wait till later in the week. The checkpoint includes about half the problems. The most tricky problems are in the second part of the project, but it is really important that you get started early so that you have plenty of time to work through those problems later, and that's why we ask you to finish Phases 1 and 2 by the end of Monday.